Welcome to ColorFun Toon TV.
Come along and sing with me. By the river near a tree. There's a bridge and a little gate. Let's count some ducks, it will be great. Quack, 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 can you hear? Happy duckies are swimming near. Big ones, small ones, what a sight. Splashing in the sunshine bright.
Under the bridge, near the gate, a group of ducks is swimming straight. Yellow feathers shining bright, wiggling tails with pure delight.
One little duck swims by the shore, then another makes it two, not more. 3 and 4 come paddling late. Counting ducks is really great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 little ducks in a row, swimming where the waters flow. Quack, 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 they play all day, splashing happily on their way. Count them once and count again, our ducky friends are having fun.
2 ducks swim beneath the tree, 3 more join so happily. Little ripples splash and glide, floating gently side by side.
But the tiny duckling shakes its head, another one looks for bread. All together neat and straight, 8 little ducks look really great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little ducks so bright and sweet, paddling with their tiny feet. Quack, 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 they swim around, making funny ducky sounds. Count them slowly, count with cheer, our ducky friends are always near.
Grandpa with his beard so white feeds the ducks from left to right. He smiles warmly by the stream, like a storybook happy dream.
Singing songs from long ago, watching all the ducklings grow. The ducks come close and quack hello, then back into the stream they go. The sun is shining in the sky, birds are singing way up high. Ducklings paddle, splash and play, having fun the whole long day.
Can you count them one more time?
Let's all do it in a rhyme. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cake little ducks, happy and free, swimming in the stream you see. Counting ducks for everyone, wave goodbye and clap along. Thank you for our ducky song.
8 little ducks swim out of sight, under the stars and moon so bright.
Quack, 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 see you soon.